LEK Pharmaceuticals, presented by Rok Staric.
Did you know that 1 of 15 Americans suffer from heartburn each day? This is the pain which is caused by increased stomach acid. Many people will often select the omeprazole as the main drug to treat this symptom. As LEK was for a few years the only generic provider of this product in the US, we were able to build a leading market share. This is also the reason why omeprazole is a #1 product produced at LEK production site in Ljubljana, where 1 billion capsules are produced each year. This means that if you would put one capsule after another, you would get a distance from here to Sydney, Australia. Now, when competition began taking our share, many jobs of our employees were dependent on this product. Omeprazole is in form of a capsule, which looks simple, but in fact, there is a very complex medication inside. It consists of hundreds of small particles which contain omeprazole. But omeprazole, unfortunately, is completely incompatible with stomach acid. That is why it needs to be protected. This is done by applying a thin layer around each of these particles, and this layer is marked here with green. This layer, which is no thicker than a hair, is our innovation. With it, we were able to reduce the manufacturing time by 45%, thus increasing client capacities, and at the same time, we drastically reduced the amount of organic solvents used and the energy consumption. With this, our new process is environmentally friendly. I remember many times when I was working with my colleagues on omeprazole production lines and asked me very enthusiastically, when will we be able to use this new process? Because they have seen how the outputs of their lines could be increased. The project, which was started in 2010, was completed in 2015 when the US Food and Drug Administration approved this new process, confirming the highest quality of the drug. Our investment to this innovation returned in less than 8 months, and this process now solidifies us as a market leader in the US also for the future and also worldwide. I think that this example shows how our team, who made this innovation, can contribute to a continuous growth, reducing costs, and at the same time has a very positive effect on the local production site and community. Thank you.
Again, the rest of the team invited on stage to receive the award. What we can see from all the 14 Golden Award winners is that it takes a team. It's a team effort. Most of the teams are pretty big, and in some cases, not actually all of them could come here today. But most of the team are pretty big. Okay, thank you very much.